We're in steps 33 in the instruction book on the Draco. We're going to take this little piece F, and if you recall, there's a little dot that's etched into one of the corners. That goes towards the front end of this piece right here. So this is front, this is the back, and it's going to be glued in right here. I'm going to take some plastic and put it on my table so that I don't accidentally glue it to the table. If you get this around the other way, it will still work. It's not that critical. But I'm going to use some thicker glue here. Like that. And I want to take off some of the glue that oozed out. Make sure it's straight up and down. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of accelerator. This accelerator's coming out weird. Okay, now we're going to move on to step 34. We're going to glue this piece on here, and that's going to be glued right there. And it only goes in one way. It doesn't matter which side is up. So I'll put the D down. And you'll notice that that sticks up just ever so slightly. All right, moving on. Now we need to get our plywood piece. This is part number 15489. And from this, we need to remove all the little J pieces. I need to remove 3 of them. Leave 2 in there. All right, and those are going to be glued into here, like that. And there's a little hole in here. So go ahead and pop that out. Something. See that little hole right there? We're going to pop that out before you glue them in. All right. And those are going to get glued in there. So you can either put glue on the outside or the inside. Doesn't really matter. Okay, that is done. Next, we're going to take 37. We need the stay frame, and that's V. That's this one right here. This one's in there. It doesn't want to pop out. Easy. We also want to get these little pieces out. And we need part EE, and that's on the balsa sheet. So there's 2 part EEs. So we'll pop those out. Okay. And then these get glued into here like that. Again, we'll use CA glue. And any glue that comes on the inside and the outside I want to take off. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, once the glue is dried on the wing frame assembly, this thing, we want to use sandpaper to sand all the edges, including the inside of the long slots. So these long slots right here, we want to sand. And I'm going to use some needle files. And I'm going to go ahead and start sanding this. So I got a flat file here. I'm going to make sure that that's nice and smooth so that these are going to slide on the inside of that. Well, actually, I'm not sure how they go, so we'll figure that out. It's important that these be smooth.